This is Dr. V. Padmanabha Reddy, Professor of ECE. Welcome to video lectures on Signals and System. The course code is AEC C02. Today we are going to discuss on problems such as periodic signals and energy and power signals. Let us go for the problems. First, we are going to discuss about the energy signals and power signals. Find average power and energy of the following signals. A bit, x of t equal to 5 e power minus 2 absolute values of t. Then b bit is x of t equal to 3 times sine 2 pi t, where t value varies from minus infinity to plus infinity. Third bit, x of t equal to 1 by root t for t greater than 1 and 0 for t less than or equal to 1. And c bit, x of n equal to minus 0.5 whole power n u of n. E bit, x of n equal to u of n, and f bit equal to x of n equal to 2 e power j 3n. These are the signals are given. We have to find out the average power as well as the energy of the given signals. Okay. Before going to discuss the solve these problems, first you know the what is the average power or the energy of signals. You know that when signal is said to be a energy signal means energy value is equal to finite, average power is equal to 0. In case of power signals, average power is equal to finite value and energy become infinite. Sometimes the signals become neither energy signals nor power signals. In such cases, energy is equal to infinite, average power is equal to 0, nor energy is equal to infinite, power also infinite. These are the neither power nor energy signals. Let us discuss about one by one. First move to the first problem, A bit. X of t equal to 5 e power minus 2 absolute values of t, where t varies from minus infinity to plus infinity. Let us take a problem. You see, the first we write the x of t value. X of t equal to 5 e power 2 t for t less than 0, and it also defined as 5 into e power minus 2t for t greater than or equal to 0. This is a given problem. For these values, where the limitings are 0 to infinity, minus infinity to 0, and other one is a 0 to infinity. You know that energy of signal is defined as energy of signal we defined as E. It is a integral of minus and plus infinity to x of t absolute values of x of t square dt. It's the energy of given signals. Now we can write it as E equal to integral of minus infinity to 0. What is x of t? X of t is equal to 5 times of e power 2t. What is square value? 25 times of e power 4t dt plus integral of 0 to infinity to 25 times of e power minus 4t dt. These are the based on the given signal. Now E equal to 25 by 4 integral of e power 4t is given by e power 4t divided by 4, and limits are minus infinity to 0. This also 25 by 4 e power minus 4t divided by 4, 0 to infinity. Now apply the limits. You know that upper limit is the minus 4. 25 by 4 e power 0 value equal to 1, e power minus infinity value equal to 0. Now we can write as e power minus infinity. Similarly, we are here also 25 by 4 e power, because minus is there, we write lower limit first, e power 0 is equal to 1 minus e power minus infinity. Now e power minus infinity value is equal to 0. You know that e power minus infinity value is equal to 0. That's why we write it as 25 by 4 plus 25 by 4, it equal to 50 by 4 is a joules. This is the energy of signal. The energy of signals. Okay. Next, you want to find out the power of signals. What is the average power? Average power of the given signals. The average power can be defined as limiting sense. It is a P average. We can call it as a P average value. That is defined as like this. The P average. Power of x of t is equal to P average value equal to limit t tends to infinity to 1 by t integral of t by 2 to t by 2 and x of t square, that is 25 e power, you can write it as is a minus t by 0 is a e power 4t dt plus integral of 0 to t by 2 25 e power minus 4t dt. Is for the, because this is defined as, it is for the minus t by 2 0 0 to t by 2 into two integrals. Let us write it as P average value. P average equal to, this is defined like this. We can write within brackets. Now limit t tends to infinity to, okay, 1 by t bracket. You know the 25 by 4 e power 4t, limits are minus t by 2 0 plus 25 by 4 minus e power 4t and 0 to t by 2. This is a given problem. This is a given equations. Now you can see that we can write as limit t tends to infinity to 1 by t. You can write this bracket 25 by 4 and upper limit is e power 0 is 1 minus e power minus, substituting minus t by 2, it will become minus 2 to cancel 2 times of the capital T. Plus here also 25 by 4 and 1 minus e power minus 2t. Now apply the limiting sense. Okay, if substituting t is equal to infinity value, e power minus infinity value becomes 0. Here also e power minus infinity value also 0. You see that 25 by 4 plus 25 by 4 and 1 by t is there. By 1 by t, substituting t is infinity to, this entire value become a P average value become a 0. So energy equal to 50 by 4 joules and average power equal to 0. So that hence the given signal is a energy signal. Energy signal. So x of t equal to 5 e power minus 2 the observed values of t. The signal is called as a energy signals. Next we go for second problem. Let us see this signal is x of t equal to 3 sin 2 pi t. You observe that the t value varies from the minus plus infinity. The signal can be, sine signal can be varies from minus plus infinity. It also periodic signal. For this we are finding for energy and average power. First you see the average power of the given signal. What is the average power? We know that the average power is P average value given by limit t tends to infinity to integral of minus t by plus t by 2 1 by t absolute values of x of t square into dt. This is the equation for the average power of the given signals. For this case, average power is limit t tends to infinity to 1 by t. This is written as This is x of absolute value x of t square is equal to 3 square, that is become 9 sin square 2 by t. Integral of minus t by 2 plus t by 2, 9 sin square 2 by t. This is written as limit t tends to infinity to 1 by t within brackets integral of minus t by 2 plus t by 2 is 9, 1 minus cos 4 pi t divided by 2 into dt. Correct. Sin square function is right in terms of 1 minus cos 2 theta form. So it becomes 1 minus cos 4 pi t by 2 dt. Now P average is given by limit t tends to infinity to 9 by t in brackets integral of minus t by 2 plus t by 2 1 into dt minus 1 by 2 is there, correct, 2t. Integral of minus t by 2 plus t by 2 cos 4 pi t into dt. For this case, limit t tends to infinity to 9 by 2t in brackets integral of 1 dt equal to dt. This become a t, lower limit is minus t by 2 and this become a cos function become a minus of it become a sine function plus sine of 4 pi t divided by 4 pi, whereas limits are minus t by 2 plus t by 2. Plus the first term become a, that first term P average. P average value given by 9 by 2 tt. 9 by 2 t. This value become a t. The tt will become cancelled plus that sine substituting t value t by 2 means it become a 2 pi sine 2 pi t. The multiple of 2 pi and this become a 0. Sine 2 pi value equal to 0. That's why the second term become a 0 value. So P average become a 4.5 watts. This is for the power of the given signals. What about energy of the signals? Now we can calculate the energy of this signals. Now we want to find out the energy of signals. What is energy of signals? The energy of signal is given by E. It is equivalent to integral of minus infinity to plus infinity to x of t absolute values of square into dt. This is for energy of signals. For this case, we are finding for energy equal to, it is nothing but we write it as minus plus infinity to 1 minus cos 4 pi t divided by t into dt. So 9 times of integral of minus plus infinity to within brackets 1 into dt minus integral of cos 4 pi t minus infinity plus infinity into dt. By substituting this value, the first integral become infinity and integral of minus plus infinity cos of 4 pi t into dt. This entire value become infinity. So for these signals, the average power equal to 4.5 watts and energy value become infinity joules. That's why the signal is called as power signal. The X of signal is called as power signal. It's the C bit. First we are finding the energy of signals or X of t. So energy signal is E is given by integral of because here limit is defined for t greater than 1 and t less than or equal to 1. For less than or equal to, the x of t value equal to 0. For greater than 1, x of t value equal to 1 by root t. Now energy of signal is given by, generally it is defined as minus infinity to plus infinity x of t absolute value square into dt. Now E value equal to, by defining as t greater than 1 means it is nothing but 2 to infinity, and x of t square means 1 by t dt plus integral of minus infinity to 1 and this 1 by t into dt. This that means this become a, the second term straight away you can write it as, it become a 0. Now E value equal to logarithm of t, 1 by t logarithm of t. Limits are 2 to infinity. It is nothing but a log of infinity minus log of 2. This value become infinite value. Energy become a infinite for this case. Similarly, we find for the power. The power of average. The average power, P average given by, is a average power, P average, it is given by limit t tends infinity to 1 by t integral of, I am straight away writing 1 to infinity to 1 by t x of t square is 1 by t into dt. So I limit t tends to infinity to 1 by t, it become log of t, limit is 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. Because t value become a limit t is tend to infinity to, this entire value become a 1 by t logarithm of infinity means log 1 value equal to 0, like this. Correct. Now anything by t, when now apply limits t is equal to infinity to, the center value become a 0, the power equal to 0. You see that this energy is equal to infinity and average power value equal to 0. That means that signal is neither energy signal nor power signals. It is neither energy nor power signals. Is x of t is neither energy nor power signal. Next we go for the one more problem. See, the x of n equal to minus 0.5 whole power n u of n. U of n given signal. It is a discrete time signal. For this we are finding for the energy and power signals. What is energy? What is the power signals? You see, you know that first of all, the u of n value can be defined as 1 for t greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. Any signal that multiply by the u of n function, it become only one-sided signal. One-sided signal is only for right-sided signal. That's why I am writing as, I am finding for the energy. Energy of signal is E is given by sigma n equal to minus infinity plus infinity to absolute value of x of n square x of n square. Because of the limits, u of n can be defined as 1. That's why the signal can be existing for only one side, that is the right side only. We define for only positive values of n value. Positive values of n. So sigma n equal to 0 to infinity to minus 0.5 whole power 2n. For this, I am writing as sigma n equal to 0 to infinity to, so 0.5 this become 0.25 whole power. I can write this form. You know that this is a series, infinite series. That's why I am straight away writing for the 1 minus 0.5. That is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 1 by 3 by 4. That is nothing but 4 by 3. Is the joules for the given signal, energy of signal. Similarly, we are finding for the finding for average power of the given signals. Now average power can be defined as the P average. P average can be defined as it is a sigma x of n absolute value square, where n value varies from minus n to plus n 1 by 2n plus 1 limit n tends to infinity. This is the equation for the average power for discrete time signals. Now I am finding for P average value. As you know, U of n can be defined. U of n can multiply with any function that become a one-sided signals. One-sided signal. Let us limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by 2n plus 1 sigma n value 0 to some n x of n value equal to this is nothing but 0.25 whole power n. 0.25 whole power n. You know that this is a limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by 2n plus 1. This value becomes a finite series. That's why it becomes 1 minus 0.25 whole power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus 0.25. This is for the equation. Now I can apply the limits. Okay. Can I write this as limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by n taken as a common 2 plus 1 by n. I can write like this. 1 minus 0.25 2 by whole power n plus 1 divided by 0.25. Apply limit. When I apply limit means it value become a 1 by n value become a 0, and also this entire value divided by n is also 0. That's why the average power value equal to 0. The entire value become 0. That's why E is equal to we get some value. Okay. Now this is also energy signals. Given signal is energy signal. Average power equal to 0 and E value is equal to some finite value. This signal is x of n signal is a energy signal. Next we go for next problem. When x of n equal to u of n. X of n equal to u of n. Energy of signal is given by, you know, x u of n equal to 1 for t greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. And straight away finding energy of signal sigma n equal to 0 to some infinity to x of n absolute value square into this value. Now this way sigma n equal to 0 to infinity to 1 square. 1. That become a is infinity. Energy become infinity. Just take find out average power. P average given by limit n tends to infinity to 1 by 2n plus 1 sigma n equal to 0 to some n 1 square. This become a limit n tends to infinity to 1 divided by 2n plus 1 and this become a n plus 1. The summation entire summation become n plus 1. N plus 1. Okay. Now written it as 1 divided by 2 divided by n. To take n as common. Here also n is taken as common. 1 plus 1 by n. This and this will be cancelled. Now we can apply limit. 1 by n value becomes 0. Okay, 1 by n value becomes 0. This becomes 1 by 2. 2 value. 2. So it is called as n plus 1 by n. 1 by n equal to infinity is this 1 by n value becomes 0. This is also 0. Then this is 2, 1 divided by 2 is 1 by 2 watts. This is called a power signal. Energy is equal to infinity and power is equal to the power signal. X of t is power signal. Next you go for the one more problem. X of n equal to 2 e power j 3n value. You observe that this is nothing but a complex signals. For complex signals, what is the absolute value? You know that for x of n, absolute value given by the 2 times of e power j 3n is the absolute value. You know the e power j 3n value equal to the absolute values of e power j 3n value to 1. 2 into 1. So absolute value of x of n value equal to 2. Now we can find out the energy of signals. What is the energy of signal? What is the power of signals? The energy of signal is given by sigma x of n square. X of n square means 2 means this is become 4. X of n absolute value square. The n value varies from the minus to plus infinity. Become 4 times of 4 times of sigma n equal to minus plus infinity to 1. This become a infinity value. This become an infinity value. Which is x of n 2 into e power j. The absolute value of j 2 this is given by j 3n value. Then 4 times of absolute value of x of n square. Absolute value of x of n square value. J3n value square. This become the absolute value of this value equal to 1. 1 into 4, the 4 sigma minus plus into 1. This value become infinity. Similarly, we are finding for average power. P average. Limit n tends to infinity to sigma and minus n to plus n. 4 times of 1. And 1 divided by 2n plus 1. P average is equal to limit n tends to infinity to 1 divided by 2n plus 1 and 4. This become 2n plus 1. This 2n will be cancelled. You get the 4 value. P average is equal to 4 watts. Now see the E is equal to infinity and average power value equal to 4 watts. So given signal is power signals. X of n is x of n equal to power signal. X of n equal to power signal. Next, this is about the energy and power signals. Next, you go for the periodic signals. See the problems. First of all, you see the problem. Determine whether or not each of the following signal is a periodic. If a signal is periodic, you determine the fundamental period. Let us go for the first problem. X of t equal to cos t plus sine root of t. Okay. Root of t. X of t is equal to b bit. X of t equal to sine square t and c bit. X of t equal to cos 10 pi t plus sine 30 t and d. X of n equal to e power j pi by 4n. X of n equal to cos pi by 4 plus sine pi by 4. X of n equal to cos square pi by 8 n. First you move to the first problem. You want to find out the given signal is periodic or not. And also if it is a given signal periodic, what is the period of the given signals? You observe that in this case, the two signals are combined. Let us say I am writing as x1t equal to cos t and x2t equal to sine root t. By combining of x1 to xt, we get the x of t. X of t, now we can find out the x of t is a periodic or not. And then if it is a periodic, it is the time period of the signals. For this case, first I am finding for the this is for the x1t, this is for the x2t. Okay, now we can write as Now read it as this is for the x1t, this is for the x2t. For x1t, what is the frequency of x1t signals? The frequency of x1t is given by the omega 1. Omega 1 is the frequency of the first signal x1t is given by 1 radian per second. And what is time period? Corresponding time period is given by 2 pi by omega 1. This is given by the 2 pi divided by 1. It becomes a 2 pi seconds. Similarly, we are finding for second signal x2 of t. Omega 1 equal to root 2 for the signal. And t2 is given by 2 pi by root 2. That is given by root 2. Root 2 pi. Now, if one find out whether the given signal is periodic or not, I want to find out suppose I am finding for t1 by 2 equal to rational number, then signal is a periodic signal. If it is not a irrational number, the signal is not periodic signal. But t1, what is t1 value? T1 is a 2 pi radians and t2 is equal to root 2 pi radians. Pi will be cancelled, we get the root 2. So it is the given signal is a irrational number. With irrational number. So the x of t signal is a non-periodic signal. Non-periodic signal. You know that first amplifier x1t, x2t for omega 1 equal to for first signal, omega 1 radian per second. For second signal, for corresponding time period equal to 2 pi by omega n, 2 pi by 1 is nothing but 2 pi seconds. For second signal, omega value equal to this is omega 2, root 2, t2 equal to 2 pi by root 2, is nothing but root 2 pi. Then I am finding a ratio of t1, t2, we get the pi cancel, we get the root 2 value. It is root 3 is another irrational number. So, given signal is non-periodic signals. Non-periodic signal. Next, we go for the second, this signal. Let us take this signal x of t sin square t. According to x of t can written as a 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2t divided by 2. It is written as, here two signals. 1 by 2 is a DC signal and cos 2t by 2, this is nothing but a sinusoidal signals. Now, for DC signals, you know that this for entire time values, it will become a constant value. Now, we can find out for second signal, for this is the first x1t. X1t is a DC signal. It is nothing but a sinusoidal signal. This is x2t. For this signal cos x2 signal, what is omega 1? Omega 2 is given by 2 and t2 is given by the 2 pi by omega 2, that gives 2 pi by 2 cancel. This is a pi radians. This is also periodic signal. Because you take the DC signal is nothing but any arbitrary signal, arbitrary time period. So it is also in pi radians. Some let us say this is taken some value. T1, T2, we are getting T1 by T2 value become some rational numbers. Because of you take DC signal as an arbitrary time periods. So if we find out both T1 by T2 values, we get the pi by will cancel, we get the some rational number. That's why it is become a periodic signal. Next we take for the x of n equal to e power j pi by 4. So this is written as e power j omega naught into n. It look like a, here we take omega naught equal to pi by 4. And for the this signal is a discrete time signals. For the n value is given by 2 pi some k divided by some omega, not value. 2 pi by k divided by pi by 4 value. Pi we cancel. N equal to 8 k. N by k value equal to 8 by 1. But this is also periodic signal. N equal to 8. This is also rational. 8 by 1 is a rational number. 8 is integer number. 1 also integer number. 8 by 1 also rational number. So signal is periodic signal. Periodic signals. What is now period of the signal is given by? Now period of signal t naught value given by the 2 pi by 8. The period of signal equal to now n equal to 8. We wait for the signal. We need wait for the period of signal is given with 8. It means 8 samples. Next, let us take the signal is this is the discrete time signals. This is considered as x1t and this is considered as x2t. The combination of these two signals. Now for x1t, omega equal to n is a cos pi by 4n sin pi by 4. Omega equal to pi by 4. Omega 1 is equal to pi by 4. For n value given by n1 is given by 2 pi divided by n by 4. Pi by 4. Pi by cancel. N1 equal to 8. Similarly, for x2 signals, omega 2 is given by pi by 3 and n1 is n2 given by the 2 pi by 3. Is nothing but a 6. So I want to find out n1 by n2 value. This become a n1 value equal to 8 by 3. This is nothing but a 4, 8 by 6, 4 by 3. That means it is become a rational number. Rational number. So x of n value is a periodic signal. Periodic signal. And now period of the signal is given by the simply we are finding 3 times of n1 equal to 4 times of the n2. That means so it is equivalent to n, where n is the period of the x of n value. So n is given by 3 into n1 value equal to 8 is a 24. The period of the combined signal is given by the 24. Now we can take for x of n equal to pi, it also written as x of n can be written as this given signal x of n cos square pi by 8n, it is 1 plus cos 2 pi 8 by n. Nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 4. 1 plus cos pi by 4 n whole divided by 2. It also contains this is a DC signal. This is a x1t is a DC signal plus this is a cos pi by 4 n is a signal x2t signal. Combination of the DC and the sinusoidal signals. For these signals, we are finding for n2 value given by 2 pi by omega 2 is given by pi by 4, pi by 4. Pi cancel. Another one n2 equal to 8. N2 equal to 8. Now, and for n1, the DC signal, this value equal to half times of 1 square. This is nothing but this is equivalent of x1 n equal to half times of 1 square. So n1 value equal to 1. We construct it. So n1 by n2 equal to 1 by 8. It also rational number. Rational number. This is also periodic signal. The given signal is periodic signals. Now what is period? The period is nothing but we can do the cross multiplication. N1 8 N1 equal to N2. That is equal to this is not equal to N. N equal to 8. N equal to 8. This N is 8 for the period of the given signals. Next we go for last problem. Last problem. This is we take it as two signals are there. X1n and this is a X2n value. For X1n, omega 1 is given by 10 pi and N1 is given by 2 pi by 10 pi. That is nothing but 1 by 5. For N2, 35. 2 pi divided by omega 2 equal to 30 pi. 1 by 15 value. So N1 by N2 value is given by 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 15 and then 3 by 1. It's a rational number. It's also rational number. So it is a periodic signal. Periodic signal. Then what the period of the signal is given by? It is a N1 equal to 3 N2. So N equal to 3 N2 or N1. That equal to N1 3 N2. 3 N2. That means so N equal to N2. See, this is omega 10 pi. For this signal, x of the cos 10 pi t x1n sin 35 x2n. Omega 1 is 10 pi, n1 is 2 pi by 10 pi is 1 by 5. It is not an integer number. Integer number. This also omega 2 30 pi, n2 equal to 2 pi by 30 pi, 1 by 15. It's also not an integer number. So this is not periodic signal. Both are not periodic signals. The combined signal also not a periodic signal. Not a periodic signal. With this, I conclude that today class I will cover both problems on a periodic and non-periodic signals.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.